our top trading gauge, folks. Today 12th May, Sunday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what the market look like upcoming week. As you can see, this is daily chart S&P 500. Wow, look at the chart, folks. Look at that. MACD entered into bull territory. Tons of bulls are volumes are lining up, and look like want to break the roof right there. Only thing is the condition here, the cloud conditions are a little sideways, so it could be a little tricky, but most likely we're gonna poke through the roof, folks. That's how it appears. 80% chance of poking through the roof, 20% chance that we could have a rejection. Okay, maybe CPI report, see how it plays. That's what you need to watch around. But you know, I think that's okay. You know, I would say. But the most important part is, folks, right now buyback is open. Remember what I said in April end, when the earnings season starts, the buyback will kicks in, and the buyback kicks in. Look at the market. Look at the market. So right now buybacks doors are open, and look at the market is going to the roof. So that is the reason MACD looking bullish, volumes are strong, and we want to poke to the roof, right? So do you think, Josh, the market gonna poke to the roof on this week? 80% chance that, folks, market want to poke through the roof here. So earlier, which I was talking about, that market, if remember when we had a pullback and we bounce, and I said, hey, last week, if you're gonna poke through this roof right here, this line, we're gonna go through the top right here. If you get a rejection, we're gonna go down to 480. So now what do you see here? Buyers are lining up. You, not the retailers, I'm talking about the big banks, big bucks. They are buying right now. Look at the market trying to poke to the roof. Only thing is, not all the stars are in your favor. 80% things are in your favor, right? But yep, look like buyers are lining up. Now that doesn't mean, yeah, market could poke through roof here and could have created a bearish diversion, because MACD is still you know, down here. But right now it looking bullish, folks. Okay, so that's how it should. But we're gonna go and take a look at the little smaller frame, because you know, if you take a look at the oscillator here, technical fundamental class applies. Those who took the technical fundamental class, they understand we have a tons of room for the oscillator to go. So the gas has been filled, has a, you know, a lot of power to take it up. That's how I see here. So that means, Josh, could I go in the Monday morning, market opens up and go long? No. We need to wait, let the market, because the Monday week, everything is expensive on Monday, right? So you need to wait and see what market creates, some sort of 1 or 2 cycles before we jump in any bandwagon, right? That's why. So if you take a look at what exactly market did on a last Friday, so did market close below the previous low, previous high? No, market did not close. That means market still bullish despite having the red candle. This is the red candle, doji candle, right? Means in it not no direction, right? And did we close below? No, we did not close the previous day high. So that still bullish even despite having the red candle. So that means still has a bullish, and that's what it looks like. All right, now let's take a look at the little smaller time frame, folks. All right, so smaller time frame. This is target. Let me look at the SPY. All right, so what happened here? This is the 4-hour chart, folks. We still has a resistance right here. Look at that. We just started the building the conditions here. It's still bullish. So if market pulls back to this area, is healthy right here. So if market pulls back to 520 and 519 and then bounce, that is healthy. That's where the smart monies are sitting right here, folks. Right, 518.27, and then we could try to poke through the roof right here at the top, which is later. So let's see this week how it forms, but look like this is what market wants to play around here. If this breaks, we could go a little lower and create a diversion. We go down. If we bounce from here, we could try to go higher. All right, that's what it appears to me here. This is the range to look for it, folks. Okay, somebody say, Josh, can you take a look at the IWM? Okay, so IWM, all right, let me go into the, just a minute, I need to look into the daily chart. IWM, so IWM area is $210 right there. So IWM just started to be bullish, folks. Okay, look at that. IWM looking bullish. Conditions are bearish, sideways bearish conditions, means green red event. IWM has it. That's how I see. So you might see a green, might see a red, green, red, green, red. That's what it looks like. But looks like it's bullish. IWM just entered into bull territory, nice and bullish. A 60% chance of greeniness, 40% chance of red, but it is overall bullish IWM. Okay. Then let's take a look at the Microsoft. Microsoft looking, look at that, Microsoft looking nice and bullish, folks. Wow, look at the Microsoft. Yep, Microsoft want to go. Yep, Microsoft looking great too. That's bullishness. So the next target is right here. Let's take a look at Tesla. A lot of people talking about Tesla. So Tesla got a little weakness, but we are in the bull territory right here. So both weakness, the projections are bearish. Remember, folks, the projections are bearish. Okay, that's what I would say. The conditions are mixed signal coming in. Right, so projections are bearish here. We just get bunch of bears are here, and it's a falling knife now. So let's look into. This is your support area where we bounce. Right, so this area probably target is in this area to watch 175, 160. This is the range to watch. If we break 175, we could go higher, but or if we go down, we could go to, right now they want to go to 160. That's what it appears. MACD in a bull territory. Why mixed signal? MACD in a bull territory, but the price actions are pushing it down, pushing it down. That means has a tons of power to push it down. That's how it appears to me. Okay. So, but there could be any caveat, any news, because this is price driven, because a lot of bears are here. So if they can have a 1 or 2 green day, possible, it could be possible. Okay, so plan accordingly, and then we could go lower. That's how I see Tesla has a weakness. Let's look at the Apple. Apple, a lot of bulls are there, so resistance is right there. Apple. So Apple still has a resistance, folks. So those who are bullish, be careful. We need to break the above $187 range in order to be bullish. If that happens, we're gonna go higher. Until then, Apple is right now. Apple is still bullish. Is holding up there at the price. So you need 180 to break down in order to be bearish. Until then, if 180 and 187 is the what Apple is right now, we'll be playing around that. Okay, that's what Apple look like. Then we're gonna look into the Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Alright, so Bitcoin is basically, remember I said that we're in a bad territory, so Bitcoin got a weakness right now. Alright, weakness means it's holding the support. You got to watch around here. Squeeze continuation. So see what happens right now. Weakness building. So what does it mean, Josh? We need to, if you want to be bullish, wedge is building. You see this wedge? So market going down. I mean, Bitcoin is going down here and get squeezed, and either you could go up or either could go down. So most likely, Bitcoin right here is testing, and we could go lower because of the conditions. Okay, I could be in that case, folks. It could break any upside or downside. But if I apply the condition, the bear has a power. So you want market to be above the cloud, I mean the Bitcoin to be above the cloud in order to be bullish, and this wedge 80% chance could break downward. Okay, that's my guess. I know altogether Bitcoin is bullish, but in the but right now conditions is telling me that they are in a compression mode and squeeze continuation, folks. Look at that, something going to happen here. Okay, soon going to happen. Something, you see this wedge going on in a couple of weeks or maybe in a month, you're gonna see something gonna happen. All right, that's your Bitcoin situation. So plan accordingly, folks. Now Microsoft, we already looked into it. Qualcomm, folks, Qualcomm was the great, look at that beautiful setup. So target is right here. We are very close to our target. We mentioned here long time ago, and slowly we're going. So we had a nice pullback, and look at the Qualcomm going now. So Qualcomm is bullish. We can look into sector-wise, folks, right here. So what the sector look like right now in 5 days? If you take a look at the utility and the financial sectors are booming, folks, right here. Monies are coming out of the energy. Energy is consumer discretionary, which is Tesla and Amazon, but money going into financial also. So which are the financial right now? Boom, looking good. So if you look at it here, BlackRock, yeah, I mean, we can look into our few companies, like for example JPM. Look at the chart. Oh wow, look at this setup, right, folks. This, they buy a JPM want to go to all-time high, they want to break, they're gonna break this JPM. This is nice looking bullish JPM. All right, JPM. Let's take a look at the Bank of America bank. BAC, yep, look at that bank, of beautiful setup too. This is also wants to go. BAC wants to break out too. Then Citibank also, look at this chart, folks. These all the banks are wants to go. They are looking higher. All right, so these banks are looking great too. Keep eyes on those two. All right, now there is an announcement, folks. I want to also show you that we have created a new WhatsApp group. The previous group was right here, which is non-active. I change it to non-active, and we have the new active group right here. So these are the new active group, folks. So if you want to join right here, you go to this is the QR code. You can scan, you can open your camera, you can scan and join the WhatsApp group. This is the free WhatsApp group for Top Trading Edge Academy. Right here, it's a free group. You can scan this. There's a link in the description on YouTube. If you cannot scan these, you can use, there's a link in the description to join. Over here, those who spam, we block them lifetime. So if you have been blocked one previously, you will not be able to join. Just to let you know, folks. So you have to understand, this is a very strict community. It's completely focused on trading. It's a trading fraternity. You don't need to do any hanky-panky thing. There is no pump allowed. There is no dump allowed. One mistakes, we block you for lifetime. Okay, that's how here it is. So be mindful that what I just said. So if you want to join here, right here, this is you can scan the code. Then there is another announcement, folks. We have a SPX 15th. There's a discount. People are asking me, Josh, that June month we will be starting the class. So you can the June SPX class will be starting, but you can take the class early before we start the month. Right, so $1,500 discount you have, so $5,000. You take the $1,500 off, you're gonna get $3,499, and you can take the advantage for only, right, those who for 1 week. This window is open for 1 week. So if you want to join now for June month, you can go and enroll now, and you get qualified for the discount, because later on you ask me, it'll be $5,000, folks. Right, you know that later on it's a $5,000. So it's far better to enroll now and start taking the classes, because you're gonna get a 4 class plus 1 Q&A class. Remember, you're gonna get a 4 plus 1 Q&A class, plus you'll get the 1 Discord live, 1 month free, $500 value, plus you're gonna get $1,000 value free for the SPX alert room. Right, so you're gonna get all those things, right, for $3,499. So if you do all your math, you're getting $1,500 discount, and my each class, folks, so these are 5 classes, 4 plus 1, you do $750 a month, right? Comes out, but my each class is $750 multiplied by 5, $3,750, plus Discord is $500, plus WhatsApp group is $1,000, alert room, it comes out $5,250. You are getting right now for $3,499. So only for 1 week this window is open, so you can enroll. Whenever I give you discount, take that. This is for the June month, so you can prepare for June month before you join the SPX room, alert room. You have to take the classes, folks. Okay, you need to take the classes, understand, right? That's how you go. So this is the announcement. People who are asking me. All right, so use this, and if you have a question right here, you can message me, Josh, I want to take the class, or you can send directly payment to this Zelle info. All right, if you have any question, you can send a message here. Some people say, Josh, I don't have that money, can I give you $1,000 now and book my spot, book my the lock in the price? Yes, you could do that. People do that until the June 1st starts. Okay, that's fine. All right, so folks, the market is looking right now, looking to me bullish, as we all discuss about it. Market is looking great here. I think. Why? Because the buyback program is back, and it's constant. Buyers are lining up. So, but the only thing we need to be little bit concerned 20% time, because we are about to reach the roof. When we touch down the roof, market might play some dirty games, right? Remember, there's always technical events, right? To scare you, to fool you, to trap you. Anything can happen, right? That's why whenever you are hit the resistance, play safely. That's what I would say. You got to go with the flow. You got to go with the market maker. We don't want to, go first. Let the market maker decide. But if you ask me overall, this is looking to me bullish technically. Only the conditions of these cloud conditions are a little deceptive, but I think the buyers are back in the town. That's what it seems like. All right, so see you guys tomorrow morning 9:30. Join the new group what we discuss. Okay, there's a link in the description on YouTube. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow 9:30. Bye.